Hi, I'm Shane from Path Forward Formulator. If you haven't already had a demo of our product, just click the link in the post above, schedule your demo today, and we'll show you what it's all about. On this week's 3-Minute Thursday, we're going to take a slightly different approach in how to start formulating and use our by ingredients function. So let's say, for example, we know we want to make something in the glucose management category, but we're not really sure what our hero ingredient could be. In this case, we'll set the secondary category to glucose management and just click into the search bar, and it'll pull in all the ingredients in the data set that have been tagged with glucose management. So for example, we see NC2 here, which is from our friends at Innovactive. Let's go ahead and put that as our hero ingredient. We'll go with the lower end of the dose for now at 250 milligrams. Now that we have our hero ingredient, search for some support ingredients. So maybe we want to put 35 micrograms of chromium picolinate in there. Maybe we want some vitamin E in there. We'll do 15 milligrams. And then maybe we want to build, let's say an herbal based support blend. We can look for some garlic extract, some turmeric, some bitter melon, and let's put some cinnamon in there. Now that we've got a decent looking formula, let's go to the next screen, decide what our dosage form is going to be. I think today we'll go for a cap and cap. I'm going to guess we need 2 caps per serving to start, and let's use organic clean label excipients from Ribas. Once we're over on this screen, we can decide where to put everything. So our herbal blend will go in the inner cap, our vitamin E will go in the outer cap, our chromium and NC2 in the inner cap, and we probably need to add sunflower or something to the outer cap as well. Let's put the herbs into a support blend. Now if we look at the supplement facts, we can see our E and chromium have calculated out, both at 100% DV. Our lead hero ingredient, NC2 from Innovactive, is in the B3 section, and then our support blend of the 4 herbal constituents are listed below that with each blend item listed out. If you go down to other ingredients, you can see all of the organic excipients from Ribas. Here I have chosen to write it out in more detail for demonstration purposes. If we were to go ahead and save this, we can view the ingredient record. One thing you might not know about our system is once you're viewing your formula, each of the ingredients will have this drop down below so you can see any adjustments it's made for potency, overage, and manufacturing variance, and the total weight that it's calculating each of those in the formula. Other place to see the active versus excipient weight is on the metrics tab, as well as the costs that it's pulling in for the calculations. Let's go ahead and export the specification sheet, where we will scroll to the supplier section and see where to get NC2 from Innovactive, who to contact. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you next time on 3-Minute Thursdays.